Bass, principal of Ray White, Saratoga Davistown. I've been in real estate since 2001 and part of the Ray White Group in the Saratoga, Davistown and Yadalunga areas since early 2003. During that time we've helped over 2,000 people buy or sell their home. Saratoga, Yadalunga and Davistown Peninsula offers you a great community lifestyle and offers a lot of things for families. Beautiful waterfronts, walking, there's a ferry service that cuts across to Woy Woy that's very popular. You're only a 5-minute drive to the beaches. It's just a beautiful place to live and you just cannot help but love it when you get here.
We chose Saratoga to live in because it's just such a great spot to bring up kids. Just with everything that's close by, the village atmosphere and the area itself has just been really good with the schools as well.
We just found that the kids wouldn't leave the area, they're too happy at the school. And
Central Coast's best kept secret, and we're hoping to stay here for as long as we possibly can.
Ray White forged a name for itself as the market leader for over the last 15 years. We've got a very good understanding that each individual property deserves an individual marketing campaign to get all of the buyers through the door, maximise what we can get in a realistic time frame.
We chose Ray White because they are the market leader. Gabe in particular is our go-to person who we've always dealt with. We just find Gabe to be really relaxed and personal, that we can relate to him, and we feel that he is open and honest back with us.
The main thing that differentiates Ray White Saratoga Davistown from others is our personable approach.
Gabe comes across as a person that is a specialist of the area, we find. He really knows every street, every person that lives here almost. He's got his finger on the pulse with what's happening in the market. We can call him up anytime for advice or with questions about what's happening, and he's always happy to take the call and help.
Well, we have a reputation as being the most recommended agency across the area, and we sell more property than any other agent.
We made a decision probably about 3 months ago that we would like to sell our home, so we engaged Gabe from Ray White at Saratoga, and we found that Gabe particularly was quite honest, and we really value that and appreciate that throughout the process. So for us, that's something that's really important.
Having grown up in the area, I'm particularly passionate about it, and I've been extremely proud to watch people go from meeting us at the window, say, to taking them to a property, right through to the purchase, and then I get a real buzz in seeing them take the keys, move into the property and achieve their dream, and it's something that really I take a lot of pride in.
And we would recommend Ray White to anyone. Yeah.
Absolutely, we've really enjoyed the experience, and it's been great from start to finish, working with Gabe through the process for both buying and selling.
We've built up not only a business relationship with Gabe and his staff, but also a friendly relationship.
So if you're looking to sell your property or secure your piece of paradise across the Yadalunga, Saratoga or Davistown area, the choice is simple. The Ray White doors are always open.